Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we are going to solve another C++ practical question. This is the question that we are going to solve today. Okay,
A customer in a store is purchasing 5 items. Design a program that asks for the price of each item and then displays the subtotal of the sale, the amount of sales tax, and the total. Assume the sales tax is 6%.
so let's first understand the question and know what the question is expecting from us so that we'll be able to provide. Okay, so the question is saying there are certain things the question is expecting from us. Okay, so one, the question is expecting us to um, ask the user to enter a price of each item. Okay, and then calculate for the subtotal and the total and the um, total tax pay. Okay, so these are the things that the question is expecting from us. Okay, so let's start writing our code. Okay, so we are going to create our variables. We're going to create our variables. Okay, so let's first create a constant variable. Okay, so const double double. Let's make it so sales tax okay, is equal to, he said, 6%. Okay, so 0.06. Okay, so let's move forward and declare the other variables. So double. Oh, this one, it should be so double. So the item one, the price of the item one, the price of the item two, the price of the item three, the price of the item four, the price of the item five. Okay, and also the subtotal, right? The subtotal, the total, and the total tax pay. Okay, total tax pay. Okay, so we are done declaring our variables. Okay, so these are the variables that we are going to use. Okay, so we are done declaring our variables. Let's move forward and prompt the user. Let's prompt the user to enter the price of the items. Okay, the price of the items. Okay, so see out. enter price of the first item. Okay, so seeing item 1. Okay, here too you're going to say see out enter price of the second item. Okay, so let me bring my end line. So seeing item 2, right? Okay, so item 3, see out enter price of the item, the item 3. Okay, or the third item. Sorry. So see, let me bring my end line. Okay, so seeing item 3, item 3. So here item 4, we are going to item 4. So enter the price of the item 4. Okay, or the fourth item. Okay, so here let me bring my end line. Okay, so seeing item 4, item 4. Okay, so see out see out okay, so okay, enter the price, of the item 5, or the fifth item. Okay, the item 5, the item 5. Okay, so let me bring my end line. Okay, so seeing item 5. Okay, so we are done with so here we are going to calculate for the subtotal. Okay, we're going to calculate for the subtotal. Okay, so calculate for the subtotal. Okay, and the formula for calculating for the subtotal is the summation of all the price items. Okay, so here let me, the subtotal is equal to the item 1 item 1 plus item 2 plus item 3 plus item item 4 plus item 5. Oh, sorry, item 5. Okay, let me bring my comma. Okay, so we are done calculating for the subtotal. Okay, so let's display the subtotal. So see out. Okay, so the subtotal, or let me sorry, the subtotal is okay. So the subtotal is, so here I'm going to bring our subtotal. Okay, so let me bring my end line. Okay, so here too we are going to calculate, for the total payment. Okay, we are going to calculate for the total payment, total tax payment, right? We are going to calculate for the total tax payment. Okay, so calculate calculate for total tax payment. Okay, so the formula for calculating for the total tax payment is total tax payment is equal to the subtotal. Okay, so the subtotal the subtotal the subtotal multiplying by the sale tax. Okay, multiplying by the sale tax. So this one, you press control plus space bar so that you get all the variables that you have declared. Okay, so as you can see, I have all the variables that I have declared here. Okay, so the sale tax, so total the total tax pay is equal to the subtotal multiplying by the sale tax. All right, okay, so here let's go on and okay, so let's display our total tax payment. Okay, so the total, let me do it. The total tax payment is, okay, is, then I don't want to make a new mistake, so let me press control plus space bar. Oh, sorry, it's not working. Okay, so let's write it. Total tax, total tax payment, total tax pay. Okay, so sorry, I should bring my sign here. and bring my n line. Okay, so let's let's come here and also come and calculate for the total payment. Okay, we are going to calculate for the total, right? So calculate for the total. Sorry, for the total. Okay, so the total is, let me control plus space. Okay, so see, I have declared total here. Okay, said total is equal to the total is equal to subtotal plus the total tax payment. Okay, so the summation of the subtotal plus the subtotal and the total tax payment. Okay, so control plus space. You see, I have my subtotal here, so plus my total tax pay. Okay, so let me bring my, okay, so here I'm going to display the total. Okay, so the total the total payment is the total payment is, let me come here and bring my, see, I have my total here. Okay, okay, so let me bring my n line, sorry, n line. Okay, so we are done with our question. Okay, we are done with our question, so let's go and run and see whether there is no error in our course. Okay, I believe. Okay, so control, execute, compile and run. Oh, sorry, so we are having error here. So what is the cause of that error? You see, we declared item, we didn't add the one. Okay, so let's add the one here. Okay, so let's run it again. So execute, compile and run. Okay, see, now our code is running. Okay, so let me bring it out. You said enter price of the first item, so let me say 20. Okay, so this one, let me say 30, 26. Okay, so 15, and let me say 10. Okay, so you see, you have the subtotal is 136. Okay, and the total tax payment is 8.16, and the total payment is 144.16. Okay, so we are done with our question. Okay, we are done with our question. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to give me a like, and if anything is bothering your mind, or if you have any question, make sure you put it in the comment section and I'll attend to you. Okay, and don't forget to follow our page too. Okay, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.